Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of TheRealNesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. That's right, back with another review. Today I am reviewing the Holystone Series HS110D FPV drone. That's right, you guys. Got me. I always love drones. They always put these different rules into play where you can't do anything. But I got this drone right here. I scoped it out. So we're going to get into the unboxing of it right here. It's by Holystone, one of the top makers of the drone. As you can see, you can put your phone into a little set right here. So let's start off right though. Down the bottom, you can see we got Wi-Fi FPV, altitude hold, headless mode, 6-axis gyro, HD camera, 4 channels. It flips. You have colorful LEDs and 3.7 volt LPO battery. On the back, as you can see, you can put your phone right into the controller so you see everything you're doing right from your phone. Camera, aircraft, battery, everything is right here. It also has an app so you control everything right from the app. Let's get into the unboxing of this thing. Alright, you guys, this is the HS series of the Holystone, which is the HS110D. And as you can see right here on the bottom, you hit the short press photo, you press it 2 seconds. It's basically like the instruction manual right here on the back of it. Aircraft features: control distance 150 feet meters, 6-axis gyro, 1080p wide angle HD camera, 2.4 gigahertz radio control technology, easy to assemble the camera, easy to replace the battery, FPV distance up to 100 meters, Apple and Android app. Let's open this baby up to see what we got here. Oh yeah, here's the tape. Oh yeah, it's nicely sealed. QC number 2. So you want to make sure you see that, guy. It says QC number 2. So that means it's been checked. This is an authentic product. So let me get this baby. I should have had my grandpa knife, but we don't need the grandpa knife. We're going to get this thing over just like that. There we go. Try to be nice and neat. Everything always tears. So look, I just rolled that back. Got all your little warning signs, so let's pop this baby open. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. There we go. There we go. Nicely wrapped into one little package right there. We got the plastic on the front. Let's pop this off. There we go. Let's see what's inside this baby, the Holystone. Ooh. I see right here we have additional fan plates right here, additional blades, a screwdriver, and like a couple of screws in there. Put that on the side. Here's the charging pad right here. Here's the USB cable. Right here we've got the little stand. This is what your phone will go into after you set it up on the mount. We have more blades here. And we have some more anchors. Let me see, we got the actual drone right there. Let me put this over here. And we have the actual controller. So here's the controller. Let's start with this. So it shows you all the different angles on the controller. As you can see, it's real nice. Here's your power button right there. Speed. The engine. Oh, you can start the engine just like that. Resync. Roll. Nice. Got buttons on the front for flip. Here's your camera button. Is the camera or video button right there. The back has the panel. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 AA batteries. Good thing y'all watch my video on the rechargeable batteries. I got my rechargeable batteries, so that's nice. And we got all different things here. You can take the antenna off, set that up. So I like this. This is real nice. We got the other buttons here. Did they put the instruction manual in here? Let's check, you guys. There we go. There we go. Let's move this out the way. There's the drone. Let's put this back over here. So it is the instruction manual underneath. Here's the actual drone right here. Man, look at that. There's your camera right there in the front. Yep, that's where you put the DC 5 volt. So that goes right there for you to charge it up. Yeah, but we about to get this thing cracking, you guys. I got the real deal now. Set that baby right there. Now let's look at the instruction manual here. Here's the instruction manual. Caution of batteries. Battery charge. Well, most time we don't read instructions, but I'm gonna definitely read the instructions for this because I don't want to end up losing the guy. Lee, this thing is thick. Good gracious, is this different language? Oh, okay. They've got, I get ready to say, man, this thing is thick. But they got different languages here, so God, they got every language known to man. This thing's so thick. What is in here? Something is in here. Oh, free. Just a little cards, I guess, for the app. So, yep, holystone.com, USA version, California version. So, I'm going to read through all this. It shows you how to set it up, do everything. So, make sure you guys read the instruction, man. Don't skip that. And that's basically the unboxing of this bad boy. Here go all the parts there. Make sure you got that QC seal on it. You got extra blades. You got the controller right here. And make sure you watch my follow-up video, because as you guys know, I always do the initial unboxing video, and then I'm gonna do another video of the follow-up showing you guys how I fly this thing. And hopefully I might just do a couple of practice runs before, so that way I don't look crazy on the video. But I'm gonna show you a video of me flying it, and I'm gonna show you actual footage from the flight, my first flight. I'm gonna show you the footage from my first flight. So let me show all the parts again to you guys. All the parts. You got the controller, you got the actual drone, all the parts here. And like I say, you know, this is the holystone HR series HS110D drone. So make sure you guys definitely check it out. The link will be below to this drone. And I think you guys really like this for ages 14 and up. So make sure you get involved with your kids, do some things. Make sure you're in the field, in the area, or a big yard. So, but this should be no problem. Once you get to going with this, it should be pretty easy, small learning curve. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.